How does a country smaller than many US states become one of the biggest food exporters on Earth? The Netherlands did exactly that. In 2025, it ranked second in global agricultural exports by value. And it pulled it off with limited land, advanced farming systems, and some of the most satisfying machinery you'll ever watch. Today, we're breaking down how this tiny country turned farming into a precision business. So, before start this video's like and subscribe my video. Let's dive into video. In this video, we'll look at 5 tools that changed Dutch agriculture. High-tech greenhouses, robotic harvesting systems, precision farming with drones and sensors, water engineering, and one of the fastest logistics networks in Europe. You'll also see how the business side works, why Dutch crops earn so much per hectare, and why these farms look more like tech labs than traditional agriculture. The Netherlands has around 17 million people and only about 41,000 square kilometers of land. Even with that size, Dutch agricultural exports passed 120 billion euros in recent years.
The country focused on 3 things: getting more output from less land, growing crops with high market value, and concentrating research, technology, and logistics in one place. Dutch universities, greenhouse companies, seed producers, and shipping firms operate close together. That tight network speeds up development and distribution. Dutch greenhouses run almost like controlled laboratories. Temperature, humidity, CO2 levels, lighting, and irrigation are monitored constantly. Many facilities grow crops without soil using hydroponic systems that recycle water and nutrients. On-screen points: climate-controlled growing, LED spectrum lighting, hydroponics and aeroponics, water recycling systems. Growers can produce vegetables year-round while using far less water than open-field farming. Tomato yields inside Dutch greenhouses can reach many times the output of traditional farms in similar climates. Consistency matters too. Supermarkets and importers want produce that looks the same every shipment. Dutch growers built systems around that demand. Slow-motion tomato harvest, water droplets on leaves, conveyor belts moving perfect rows of produce. Labor in Europe is expensive, so Dutch farms automated aggressively. Cameras scan crops for ripeness. Robotic arms use soft grippers to pick delicate fruit without bruising it. Automated vehicles move trays through greenhouses while packing systems sort produce by size and quality. AI-guided harvesting, autonomous transport carts, automated sorting and packing. Some processing lines handle thousands of plants every hour. Faster handling means less waste and more product ready for export. Overhead shot of synchronized robots placing strawberries into trays. Dutch agriculture runs heavily on data. Sensors measure soil moisture, nutrient levels, and greenhouse conditions in real time. Drones scan fields with multispectral cameras to spot disease or crop stress before it becomes visible to the human eye. Soil and climate sensors, drone imaging, yield prediction models, automated irrigation control. Instead of spraying or watering entire fields evenly, farmers target specific areas that need attention. That cuts fertilizer use, saves water, and keeps crop quality stable. Drone launch followed by color-coded crop maps appearing on screen. A large part of the Netherlands sits below sea level. The country has spent centuries controlling water with dikes, canals, and pumping systems. That engineering created fertile farmland where there used to be water. Reclaimed land, flood control systems, precision drainage, water reuse infrastructure. Stable water levels give farmers predictable growing conditions. Drainage systems also improve soil oxygen levels, which helps root development. Growing food is only half the business. Moving it quickly matters just as much. The Netherlands has Europe's largest port, Rotterdam, along with dense cold storage infrastructure built around exports. Refrigerated storage, fast customs processing, integrated transport networks, export distribution hubs. Flowers, vegetables, and seedlings lose value quickly if transport slows down. Dutch logistics systems reduce spoilage and keep products fresh during long-distance shipping. The Dutch focus on products with high value per hectare instead of bulk commodities like wheat or corn. Flowers, vegetable seeds, greenhouse vegetables, seedlings, and specialty crops bring in far more revenue from smaller areas of land. Floriculture. Seeds and seedlings. Specialty vegetables. Agricultural technology exports. Dutch companies also export farming systems themselves. A greenhouse firm might sell climate software, irrigation equipment, training, and maintenance contracts alongside the crops. The system faces pressure too. Greenhouses use large amounts of energy. Nitrogen emissions remain politically sensitive, and land use is heavily debated inside the country. Researchers are testing lower emission fertilizers, energy efficient greenhouse systems, and crops that need less water and fewer chemicals. If you want more videos on farming technology, industrial machinery, and the business behind modern agriculture, subscribe, turn on notification, and stick around. And let me know which topic you want next. Put no in comment section. Peace.